Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove team tag on Blockman Go gaming app. It is a very easy and simple process, so let's get started. First of all, find the Blockman Go app on your home screen. Now open it. Here you can find the option of face icon at the bottom of the corner. Simply tap on it. Here you can see the pencil icon at the top right corner. Simply tap on it. Then tap on to the nickname button right here. Now if you have been in a team, it would have shown the team tag on your profile and you could simply erase it. And that's it. This is how you can remove team tag from your profile on the Blockman Go gaming app. It is very simple and easy, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.